Hello you guys, so this is the cell structure sort or card sort, and just to show you how you go about doing this activity, when you open the activity you are going to be able to, you see there's a chart on the top half and then there's extra blue, extra pictures, extra green, yellow, and pink cards. Those cards are going to be clicked on and then dragged into the chart. So for example, you have the nucleus, and the next row you want to put a picture. So you're going to go down, and right here is a picture of the nucleus. So I'm just going to drag it up and I'm going to drop it right into that picture. What is the function of the nucleus? That's a green card. So you go and you look at the green cards. The function of the nucleus is that it holds genetic material and produces ribosomes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag that card in to the function of the nucleus. Is the nucleus belong to a eukaryote or a prokaryote or both? Well, prokaryotes do not have nuclei, and so it would only be in the eukaryote. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And then plant and animal, it's in both, and that was already there for you. The next column, you don't know what it is, so you got to read down. Well, its function is to make proteins. So what structure makes proteins? That would be the ribosome. So I'm going to go over here and click on ribosomes, and I'm going to drag it up to the structure row. I'm going to go ahead then and look for a picture of a ribosome. This right here is a picture of the ribosome, so I'll go ahead and drag and drop that there. So basically what you're doing is you're going through all of the structures that are in blue, and you're going to match them with their correct picture by dragging and dropping. Match it with the correct function in the green. Tell me if they are in eukaryotic, prokaryotic, or in both. And then tell me if they're in plant and animal. So for example, a ribosome, you have the picture, it makes proteins. Ribosomes are in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and they are also in both, grab a hold of it, drag it, they are also in both plant and animal. Go ahead and fill it out, and then when you're done, I've given you a key that you can go back and check to make sure that you have all of the correct answers. This is just an opportunity for you to practice understanding and how well you know what the structures are, what their function are, and where you would find them. Hope this helps. Good luck. Talk to you soon.